The UK, now the first country in the world to clinically approve the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine. Its health secretary saying they stand ready to start vaccinating early next week. Its first batch of 800,000 doses will cover a small number of healthcare workers and the elderly. The U.S. isn't far behind. FDA regulators are expected to discuss Pfizer's vaccine next week. Moderna has also asked for emergency authorization. The question for us is who will receive the vaccine first. In a 13-1 vote yesterday, CDC vaccine advisors officially recommended it go first to healthcare workers and people living in long-term care facilities. The two groups represent around 24 million Americans, but that's still a broad group. It will be up to states to make more detailed decisions if vaccine supplies are low. Georgia's governor already saying that he will follow the guidelines of the CDC.